Hello, it's Azi here. In this video, I'm just going to teach you how we can, make mockups in Figma that's going to be free. So I will show you two plugins that both really works fine, and I hope you will like both. So the first one is like BrandBird. I personally like it. So first of all, you need to, create an account in BrandBird, and then they will give you an API key. So you just need to use it. Without API key, you can't use it on Figma, and yeah, but you can use it on the web version. Okay, but in my case, I'm just gonna use it on the Figma. Inside of Figma, let's go Figma. For example, this design, this one, Ellie. For example, let me first of all take this frame and here, and now go to plugins, and like search it. Then you will get to see the plugins, and here's the set my API key. So if you click on here, then you will get to see your own, so I'm not gonna show you that. So here is it. So here's the API key that you can see. It's right now is blank, but you just need to click on here, hover my API key, just copy the URL. Okay, so here is it, Melly. So we need to go to the dashboard. Okay, so we need to go to the dashboard, and then we can get access of this. So let's go back in here and just enter the link. And as you can see, here is my API key, so I can regenerate it. I just copy it. Let's go back to Figma again, and let's paste it and save it. So when I save it, API key is successfully placed. Click on run and open BrandBird, this one, and just take a little bit time. Okay, it's instantly happened. So when I put it, as you can see, it's automatically automatically replaced with the design. So I like it personally. So let me delete it. I don't really need this React or like this design. I can put it placemented. So let me make it top. Here is that. So now this is merely the preview. So when it's done, then you can just click on here, export to Figma. Then this design will be automatically come into here, as you can see. So it's automatically come into Figma. So here is the one interesting thing that's gonna be interesting thing is like where you want to post it. For example, you want to post it on Twitter. So here is right now on Twitter. So if you want to post it on Dribble or YouTube or anywhere else, whatever you want, they will be give you specifically the size, so that you don't need to worry about the size that what's going to be needed for. So you don't need to worry about it. And this obviously going to be the high quality that's going to be produced. This providing high quality images. That's awesome. And this free version, I'm always saying that it really works fine. Okay, for example, I'm just wanting for okay, so there's a custom one also. So for example, I want for it like this dribble shot. So just type it and automatically place it, right? And it's have a free templates, so you can use it. Have a lot of templates. And here are the images. We can upload images that we already upload in here. So we can make it resize that how much you person want. Here are the annotation, like some of the circles, some of the like this type of design that we can make it. Yes, here's a blur, padding, highlights, many more things, something like Canva, something like Canva. I can say something like Canva. And here's the layer system. Here's the background that you can change it. So it's have something like surprise me. On surprise me, this one, I was thinking like it's gonna be automated, like AI generated, but it's not. So it's better to put manual, like mesh gradient or gradient, like this one. So it's have a more free combination that we can use it. So you can use it. So you can choose whatever you like. And here is the positions and so you can change it. Scale. And it's 3D, have some preset, and also you can make it as your own. Here is some mockups. For example, you want already have a mockup in here. For example, modern browser. I put in modern browser. Let's see how it's look like. As you can see, right, there's a modern browser. and it's really look like, yeah, it looks great. It's not bad something, looks awesome. Here the tree model, let me just change a little bit because the previous one is looks great. Yeah, looks not bad. I think like this great. And here is the shadow that you can see. Okay, so here is shadow also, and I can change the color into something different, whatever you want. For example, like put a little bit red, or like red and white combo, and now it's half here. And here's the border section that you can put a little bit border, and here's the preset also that you can see which a preset you want. And here's some layout. We can put some more layout in here, but I think layout, okay. Oh, okay, more images, and here, and watermark. So it's have what if you want to remove it, then you need to go to pro and unlock the brands. Okay, so you can save it something, save your brands asset color. So but now it's paid and it's having some more things. But if you see overall this design, it's great. Let me export it in Figma. This totally great, and I really like. I will tell you that I'm a fan of this, you can say. And they're providing high quality image, high quality. It's not like something normal, it's high quality. Let me show you on a website how it's mainly work. So here is, now I want to put it on pictures, here sections, sorry, movies. Let's go back to the website and go back to again. For example, I'm choosing here dribble shot, go images, upload the images, so we can take a screenshot from website, have more options, you know, more options is here. So let's put on here the hero section. Okay, where is that? Okay, so here's the image, just put it down here. So as you can see, automatically it's placed it, right? It's automatically placed. For example, I don't like to use their that's just giving us, right? I want to use this one, for example. So what can it be? So I just click on the image and it just upload here, so I can put the image, different image, just click on different image. It's take a little bit of time and it's gonna be changed, and we can crop it. It's about all the necessary option that's gonna needed. All of these have. So here is a box, I don't need it. So just see it how it's beautiful. Just see, here is the position. So I mean, position means like I'm thinking about to make it a little bit bigger. Okay, it's, we can make it bigger, so we don't need to go anywhere else. So you see it how it's beautiful. I personally, I love it, man. Anyway, this is mainly the first one, and second gonna be a different plugin. This also coming from Figma, but this is not like free. It's something like similar of this. Recently tried a mini, but I personally fan of only mockup. So search mockup. This search mockup, and then you get to see this one, and just run it. Okay, so mockup library. Okay, so here's the mockup library. I have to find what you really want. For example, I want desktop. I want a desktop, so search it. Also, it's have a paid and free, so I just select the free version, and the free version have a more. But I'm mainly finding out something about desktop. So it's have a desktop also. Let me find out. Example, I like to get this one, so I just click on here. So it's an interesting thing is like we need to first of all select the frame. Okay, so the plus icon first of all. We need to click on the plus icon, then this thing that select the canvas. So I select it, so it's automatically detect, right? So automatically detect, and it's showing like if you crop anything else, just click on crop if you want it. But in my case, I don't want, so I just keep it like this. And now it's like give it, okay, so we're going to just scroll. So what's done, and then just put it down, paste in Canva. Okay, so this mainly I think pro version, so we need to use it free. For example, this one, and put it down here, select it. It's automatically gonna take it, and here it's automatically take, and also it's showing, you know, we need to crop it. It's depend on the device, you know, so we need to do a little bit changes, but I'm not doing it. Just click on crop, and you'll get to see like this. Yeah, and just click on paste on canvas, then you will get the file on here on Figma. So the thing is in here, that is, this is the free one, as you can see. I'm just gonna cross it. So it looks great. As you can see, the output is great. If you see the free version, the output is great. That means we can use it on what you can use. You can say like in a Behance portfolio or in Behance. We're just gonna put it Behance. You can easily use it because it's have a great things, I think, because these both plugins really work fine and both are, you can say, free. So we don't need to pay it, but if you pay a little bit, then you'll get some extra features, an extra option in here, you know. Okay, I hope you will like it and it's providing value. Then if you think that you learned something new, please click on this like button in my video, and you can subscribe my channel because I'm only talk about it with design. Yeah, only like design and design and design and design.